Hi guys, do you know that you can create or make a comic strip inside of Canva and make any design as long as you want? So without any further ado, let's jump into my computer. Alright, so now I'm already here in Canva and I want to make some flashcards or comic strip for my class. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. Okay, so here, as you see here on the search bar, I'll just type comic strip. All right, and then click enter, and then you will see it will pop up a lot of templates here if you want to use this. And then, like for example, this one, you want to use this, just click this one, and then you can just edit this one by clicking this customize this template. And you can also put some text here if you want to, so it's all up to you, but you can customize this. Okay, but today, or maybe I'm just gonna make this a blank template for my comic strip, and then I'm just gonna make some shapes here. So I'm going to the elements, and then I might type shapes so I can get some maybe square. Alright, so I got these shapes all of a square shape, and I'm just gonna group this one, guys, so I can just put it in the middle just like that. And alright, there you go. So for example, I want to change this for let's say blue, so it's going to be blue, for pink, and this one we can use it for purple. It's all up to you guys. You can design on what color do you like. I don't want to say yellow, and this one is green, and this one is red. So I want the background to be like maybe white. Let's put it. All right, so now you can see each square that you can cut on this. So we're going to put some characters here. Then you can just scroll down here, guys, and choose any characters that you want. In the search bar, you just type comic characters and then scroll down, then you can find a lot of characters here. Like for example, I'm gonna choose here, I'm gonna put him here over there, just like that. Okay, and then maybe him here in the green, and then who else? So let's find more. Maybe him. Okay, you can make your own design, guys, for your class. Kids loves characters. So, and then who else? Maybe this red is here. There you go. And pink. I might want to see a seal here. So click the seal, and then you can choose which characters that you want here. So for pink, maybe I'm gonna put him over here. Yeah, just like that. And one more for purple. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. There you go. So now once you have these comic characters for your flashcards or for your class, so now you can put some emotions or feelings for their faces. So if your topic or your theme is all about emotions and feelings, and then now here there are some faces here that you can just click this one, and wherever you want to put this one, maybe you can put this one somewhere here. You see, you can make a face, and then voila. So maybe this one where you want to put him, just make just a little bit so, and just like that. And last is him. Okay, I can put him over here. All right, so you can design your own style, guys, and then you can you can print this one and cut it and laminate it and use it in your classroom. So this is one of the example if you want to create a comic strip for your kids or for your classroom. So you can also put some text here, guys. So if you want to put some text or happy face, you can just say happy, things like that. And then you can just drag this one where is the happy face, things like that. There you go. Okay, so let's try another comic strip. So let's go back into our here into our home page, and like I told you, once you come here, just type comic strip here, and then it will pop up all the strip. Okay, so for example, the grocery math is one, so you can customize this if you want to. As you see, there are shopping math here, there are comic strip title, and you can just type whatever conversation that you want here, just like that. All right, or I'm gonna show you other things, guys, like for example, all right, so here you just write the comic title, and then you can just create whatever conversation they are doing, and then you can put other animals there, and there are the faces that you want to, and here are some of the templates. So if you want to do this, you can just click this one, customize it, and then it will pop it here. And then now you can also add, if you want to add this one, then you can just copy this one and go back here and paste it here. Okay, and then go back again here, and then you can also you can do the same thing, or other hold on, like this one, you can copy, go back here, and then paste here. So you know, you can just do like this, make it a little bit smaller, or just hold on, just like that. Now you can design your own comic, guys. And then for this here, you can choose which style do you want. You can just copy, go here and paste here. All right, just like that. And one more for the other side over here. You can choose whatever you want, just copy, go back and paste. There you go. So you have your own templates here, guys. Then all you're gonna do is just to think about what you want to say, what you want to put into this. There are many faces here, like for example, you want to use this, or we can copy and we can paste it maybe here. Let's see if I can make it here, or make just a little bit smaller. Hold on, guys, and just make this a little bit bigger so you can see, like that. You can put this face over there. All right, just like that. So it's all up to you, guys. You can design the face, you can choose the face that you want by clicking here and just copy it. Okay, let's put another one here. So I'm gonna put it here, I'm gonna paste it, and oh, it was so scary. I don't know, but I'm gonna make a little bit just like this. All right, just like that, guys. So you can design whatever you want, and then I don't know what story that you want to put in here. So this is a cat and this is a dog. I don't know if they're talking or something, or they're just chilling. These two, the comic title. So you have to think about the title of your comic. So it's all up to you. You can always make a design here, but you know, there are so many templates included in this. If you choose this one, there's all spaces here, and here are the speech bubbles that you can use, and there you go, just like that. Yeah, there's so, just play around with this, guys. There's so many comic strip inside of Canva that you can use if you want to create a comic, a book, or a short comics. So you can use this one and just, you know, change the conversation, change the characters, you know, speech bubbles, whatever you want. So if you don't like these bubbles, you can just delete this, and you can go to elements and then type speech bubbles, and then there you go, just click see all, and then you can change, you know, whatever you want. You can just put it here, just like that. If you don't like this, then you can always add more you know, or speech bubbles here. So yeah, you have a lot of you know, choices here that you want. So you can just scroll here, guys, play around with this and choose which speech bubbles that you want. So that's all for today's, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and for all of you who are just new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for all my subscribers, always thank you so much for all your support. Until next time, and see you then. Bye for now.